everybody. Today we're going to deal with a topic called technology. After this lesson, you are expected to be able to acquire the skills like scheming, labeling a diagram, matching headings to paragraphs, and sentence completion finally. Now let's go for the passage with the name Techno Wizard Try in the Home. I did send you via email. I would love you to pause this video for 3 minutes and read through the passage from the beginning to the end. Bear in mind that you need to do it fast. Then you answer the question that what it is about. Okay, let's pause the video. Have you done? Here's the answer. This passage is about using integrated technology in homes in the future. So that's about the first task, scheming. Now we are moving on to the next task type, labeling a diagram. Let's take a look at the diagram on page 101. You see the diagram here? So let's locate which part of the passage you can find the answer, and then you pause the video for 2 minutes, then you find the answers. The hint for you is that you can find the answers in the paragraph D. Alright, it's time for us to check the answer. As I told you before, you can find all the answers to the diagram here in the paragraph D. So now let's see. Number 1, what's that? Morning coffee. Number 2, barcodes. Channels for 3. Safe for number 4. Number 5, we have haven. Number 6, monitor. Activate. Escape route for 8. Power cut for number 9. So that's it for labeling a diagram. So what are the tips for this type of task? First, you have to locate the part of the passage where you can find the answers. Then you have to highlight the keywords before you look for those in the passage. And finally, you see the answers in the passage. The next type is matching headings to paragraphs. Look at the task carefully. You can see that there are more headings than the questions. You see we have 10 headings while we only have 7 paragraphs. That means there are some headings that might not be used. Now let's pause the video for 3 minutes and do the task. It's time for us to check the answers. Number 10, paragraph A with the heading 7. Paragraph B with the heading 8. C, we have the heading 3. The heading 10 goes with the paragraph D. The first heading goes with paragraph F, 9 with G. And finally, we have the heading number 6 goes with the paragraph I. So the point is how to deal with the type task effectively. You need to find the main ideas of the paragraphs, and then you match those main ideas with the appropriate headings. So let's stretch yourself a little bit with the last task called sentence completion. Similarly, look at the task, highlight the keywords, then pause the video for 3 minutes and find the answers. It's time to check your answers. Number 17, we have C, 18 A, 19 F, 20 G, 21 D, and finally 22 we have B. Here are the tips for the task. Highlight the keywords in the question, and then you read the passage and find the answers. I have to admit that sentence completion and matching headings or all kinds of tasks in IELTS reading section, you need to highlight the keywords all the time. Then you have to find the similar words and the synonyms in the passage. Then you see the answers in the passage. So that's it for this lesson. You are required to do the homework as follows. There will be attached to the email as well. If there is any question, feel free to contact me via the email. So that's it.